We're here. Yeah, pretty close.
I go 5 days at home and never think about when I'm here. I was just giving mom for 15 years. It's anxiety of being with my kid and not knowing, it was going to be 26.51.
Sorry, I got a shaky hand. I'm using this one hand and it's a light camera, so.
I just bring you bottles of sauce. Oh, right. You're eating your first meat here.
Oh, we can buy this stuff. I didn't even realize there was price tags. Yeah, I figured, but. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Here. That's awesome. Here, how much can you buy that? Or what? Where did it go? Oh, right there. Does it say on the back or anything? Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay, cool. We'll go check out. Let's go see if
Oh, I just want to see some stuff. This is the van from the original movie. Well, not really. It's a replica, but they got freaking the details just right. They got the freaking scratch. You can't hear. I don't know if the camera can see in.
It might be a little greener, though. I don't know.
Nah, I don't think they'd get the color wrong.
I thought in the movie it looked a little bit more blue.
checked in the van.
Yeah. So the cabins that you can stay in at night. Pretty cozy. Yeah, it's just the eating area. We Slaughter Barbecue. Michael Shrunk. Okay, alright, around this tree. There's the stone behind. It's right there. That thing right there. Yeah. Okay, now move.